Today we are going to build some basic slab lines. We are going to use the minor pentatonic scale on D. That scale goes like this. We have the root, the minor third, perfect 4, perfect 5th, minor 7th, and we are going to add the octave. So we can start like this. With our thumb we are playing the root 2 times. Then we are going to use our index finger and we are going to play the minor 7th like this with the popping technique. And then we are going to play the octave with a hammer on, popping on the minor 7 and hammer on to the octave. Up to here we have root 2 times with the slab, minor 7, popping, hammer on, octave. We can also use the same shape here from the perfect 4 to the perfect 5th. We are going to use our thumb. The whole phrase goes like this. Remember to use your left hand thumb for muting the 4th string. When you are not playing slab lines, remember that your thumb will always goes here behind the neck. But if you are playing slab, you have to make an exception in order to mute the 4th string. Going back to the bass line, we are going to use this as the main motif, so now we can think in an answer for that. A good answer could be, here we have the minor 7th, remember, we have it here. If you go 1 octave below, it is also here. So we can play with the thumb, and then we can make a hammer on to the root, playing the root again with the thumb, and finally the minor 7 here in the 1st string, 5th fret. Finally we can add this thumb, popping, thumb, but muting with your left hand, and finally the octave with the popping. That whole second part goes like this. And finally the whole bass line goes like this. The first part, second part, once you have the whole bass line, you have to play it with the drum.